All right, good morning. Hey, Maddie. I'm at. Market open in 2 minutes. I like to hold a 525 on ES. On NQ, watching for a rejection. Actually up here. Or maybe right 70. Let's see. Or if ES gets up around like 542 or so projection. Yeah, you can see a lot of wicks around here. That 525, it's a big daily level too. Right in between these two wicks, or excuse me, sorry, this wick right here. And then this around like 521 is a big area too. And that would be down in here or so. What I was looking for yesterday, we didn't. So. About a minute till market opens. Yeah, this area. Market opens up soon. And we're selling right through it. Jeez. You doing the same thing, selling off? Right off that 21. Crazy.
Hello.
What's up, Yvonne? It's been a little bit.
Yeah, it's been over now. Good morning.
Morning.
How are you doing?
I'm doing very well, thank you. How are you?
Good, good, good. I'm good. Been busy a little bit.
Yeah. Out on the water.
Yeah, among all the other things. I saw you trading with Apex now.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Yeah, I just got like a 50K account. They're on sale, so it was really cheap.
Yeah, they're like 8% now.
Yeah, it was like $36 or something for a 50K account. It's pretty worth it.
Yeah, man. It was also 90 when I told you a couple of weeks ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, but 36 is still good. Have you decided what size are you trading?
I was kind of experimenting with it a little bit yesterday. I think between like 3 to 5 contracts right now on the micros.
Okay. Okay, not bad.
But to pass, I might need to size up a little bit more. Because like 3 contracts on ES, unless you get like a really big like 10-point win, isn't gonna really get me to where I need to be. In terms of like passing, I need 3K, which is like, I'm trying to do it in a month, is about like 150 or so dollars a day. And to get 150 off 3 ES contracts, I'd need to hit 10 points on all 3 contracts. So I'm just thinking I might need to size up a little bit. We'll see.
Yeah, I'm trading 8 NQ, MNQ and 10 MES.
Yeah, that probably sounds a little bit more accurate.
That's my size for 50K account.
Yeah, that sounds pretty solid. I think I'm just gonna probably take this week and kind of play around with it. I was also using the brackets and kind of experimenting with those on Tradeovate, so you can set like have predetermined take profit, stop loss, all that stuff.
Yeah, I use that all the time. We have news and then
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna wait for that. It's kind of slow right now. You tried trading like the minis instead of the micros?
Yeah, I did. Why?
I was just curious. There's a guy I follow that he trades live and stuff and trades futures, and he just scalps like one contract of a time at a NQ.
Yeah, that's decent.
But he copy trades across like 20 accounts, so in reality it's like taking 20 contracts, but he just scalps like little like
My mat.
yeah, exactly, yeah. It's pretty nice. Like a 10-point scalp on NQ is like $4,000 across his accounts.
Yeah, $3,920.
Mm-hmm. But I don't know. I watch him. He does some wonky stuff, like how he trades is quite different from how I trade. But yeah, I mean he's profitable. It seems like he does really well. He's withdrawing like 100K a month or something crazy.
Yeah. I follow him also, and yeah, his style of trading is a bit intense.
Yeah, I can't. I mean, I watch some of his videos. I follow some of it. Some of it I don't really follow, but I mean, it works for him apparently. Guess you just gotta find that thing. I like the brackets though. Yesterday I used those for kind of like the playing around with that. And I made another one today that has like a it will take some off and then it has like another take profit further up, and then that last contract's like a trailing stop.
Nice. How much are you risking on NQ?
On NQ it's pretty tight, it's 8 points. On ES it's 2. So on NQ it's like the stop is 8, the first take profit's 15, and then after that it would be a trailing stop with like targets further up. But I was just watching NQ yesterday a little bit, and this is also I need to probably completely experiment and see what works best. But I just noticed like when we get a bounce on NQ, I feel like it at least goes like 15-20 points off a bounce, even if it doesn't like follow through with a big move. And I feel like if you could get like a solid 15 points consistently on NQ, that's like if you have either a mini or if you're trading, you know, like 8 micros or something, that's like $300 almost off a pretty quick move.
Amazing.
I almost took a bounce pretty much at day low on NQ, and I didn't. I want to wait for news, but it bounced insane. Like now it's up like over 30 points. That would have worked. I just didn't want to be impatient.
Yeah.
I'll be right back. how's your water foil, man? You been having some fun on that?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it
Whenever I get the chance.
looks pretty sweet. Is it battery powered or no?
Yeah, it is. It is.
Okay.
One big battery. Oh, we have 15 minutes more.
Thank you. Wrong. Yes, just kind of doing nothing.
Yeah, Q is very strong. I have a trend line on 30-minute chart from like Friday 21st on QQQ.
Yeah, resistance.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
If we break this pre-market high on that trend line, we might see some strong moves.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's trying to break that pre-market high. If it breaks that and pulls back down into it, I might like it for a long. Pulled back down into like 842-ish, 841 maybe. But yeah, it just pushed up and rejected right.
Now, low for day in 5 minutes.
Has there been a pretty big learning curve on your waterfoot? How do you even like get started on it? Do you have to like launch it from a dock or something?
No, no, you just enter the water and you can start by laying on it or
Okay.
your knees. But I learned it really quickly because I've been like windsurfing all my life here.
Gotcha. That's dope. I was about to ask you if you've done that. Windsurfing's crazy, and people go way up in the air and stuff.
Yeah.
Have you seen the videos of people like jumping over islands on windsurfs?
That's like kite surfing.
Kite surfing, okay. Oh, windsurfing's like where it's attached to the board, huh?
Yeah.
Gotcha, yeah. Kite surfing. Kite surfing is nuts.
Yeah, man. I do that too.
Alright, bro. Freaking Aquaman. You're like the Silver Surfer, bro. No, that's sweet. I never lived anywhere very like conducive to water activities. It was always very cold.
Yeah, man. Well, I bet you snowboarding.
I do enjoy that, yeah.
There you go. TV fuel rejecting that pretty much high.
Yeah.
And Spy somehow weak.
Yeah, it's interesting because like yesterday, NQ is way weaker than Spy. Flip flopping.
Oh yeah, Spy had that big push.
Yeah.
Open. Interesting.
Yeah, they've been kind of opposite lately. It's been kind of hard to trade lately. I feel like it's been all over the place. Like pretty big moves, but like not really a trend. Just a lot of chop.
Yeah.
I mean, like you'll get a big move and then it'll just reverse and go right back down. I guess no trend.
Yeah, it's been hard since this spring all-time highs.
I was saying to Scream yesterday, even like looking at the hourly chart, just the wicks that you have on like the hourly chart, it's a mess.
Yeah, a lot of fake outs.
Yeah. But he was saying he's been trading platinum only. He said it's all the fake outs and stuff on Spy and Q, or I guess pretty much traded Spy before. But he said it was hard for him to like hold trades because he would try to hold something and just get faked out and stopped out. So
He doing good?
yeah, he's just trading like trend line breaks on platinum. He shared a few in trade chat. If you pull him up, it's actually kind of crazy. If you look back at a few of his posts. Like, he said it respects trend lines better than like anything he's traded before.
That's like also futures on platinum.
Yep. Yeah, exactly. I don't think it has micros though. Or like, yeah, I don't think it has micro contracts for it.
So how much is 1 point?
I believe it's like ES. It's 50 for 1 point.
Oh, nice. Is it moving slower or faster than this? Do you know?
I don't know. I haven't traded it, but just looking at like the charts he shared, it looks maybe similar.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't think it moves super fast. It looks like, yeah, like a trend line break and it moves like 4 points or so. So probably similar to like ES. Let's get shoes out of the way.
Boys making new lows.
Yeah, I suppose. Are you do you have gun ownership in Croatia?
No, no, man. You can have it only for like hunt.
Gotcha, okay.
Here in Europe, we don't get really that load that you American have.
Dude. Yeah.
It's crazy for us. Do you have a gun?
Yeah. Yeah, I grew up shooting around guns.
Nice.
The news didn't really do a whole lot. Like where I'm from, a lot of people hunt and fish. That's pretty common up there.
Nice. You enjoy shooting?
Yeah, I do. Fun. It's more fun than it may seem. It's like
I was shooting.
Oh, sorry, go on.
No, I was shooting some guns and rifles, but I don't own one, you know.
Gotcha, yeah. Alright, NQ breaking that pre-market high.
Yeah, that trend line on 1 minute was broken and it held perfectly before the news.
Nice, it's getting a strong push above. Wow. Alright. If it comes back down to it, I might be interested in taking that. ES is kind of testing a trend line right now too, from yesterday evening through the pre-market. Rejected though.
Yeah, that thank you is crazy, man. Already dropped like 20 points. 30
Yeah.
points.
This is right where I want to see it hold though. Wow, it bounced so fast. I kind of wanted to get in down there. I'll see if it comes back down. But it bounced like right where I want to see, like right on that 42 or so. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. It happens so fast. Yeah, it would already hit my first target. Damn. I just didn't get in on it. That was really fast. Exactly what I wanted though. Crazy. 20-point move in just seconds.
Yeah, still trying to break the trend line now on 30 minutes.
Yeah, he is still struggling. Gosh, I don't know. Yes, sometimes trade's really nice, and I feel like most of the time though, it's just like a 2-point struggle. It just bounces around and like doesn't really do much.
Yeah, I trade. Yeah, exactly. I trade ES only when I see that it's moving similar to QQQ. Like when QQQ moves $1, I want to see an ES move like 80 cents at least.
Yeah.
And sometimes when that happens, SPY is really tradable. Like it has even better moves than QQQ.
Yeah, I mean, there's sometimes where it's like really clean, like perfect setups, and it's not so volatile as NQ, which I like. You know, makes like getting your entries and stop loss a little easier. But yeah, other times it's just does nothing. Damn, I wish I got in on NQ. That's exactly what I wanted. That break and pull back towards pre-market. Hold. Bummer. I want to chase it, but no, I don't really have any setups.
Maybe retest of that previous high.
Yeah, I'm watching for potential resistance up around like 905 to like 915 or so. Another like 40 points from where it's at.
Mm.
Kind of the lows from what was it? Yeah, or 2 days ago, and then last week. I guess those are both last week. Am I tripping? Never mind. Yeah, Monday and Friday. Lows, not lows. Sorry. My charts don't differentiate between like aftermarket, pre-market, and then like open hours. So sometimes I feel like I get mixed up on what's what.
I
Yeah,
don't
this
know, I'm still trading based on QQQ and SPY only.
seems to be working.
Yeah, now SPY touched this 544. That's like a resistance area on SPY.
Oh, it kind of broke out. Sorry.
Sorry?
I was gonna say SPY's trying to break out of that little downtrend it's been in since like yesterday evening.
Mm.
Yeah, still kind of struggling. I like that like 525 area for support if it can break above it and then hold it. Kind of like right where it's at right now. It had some big bounces from there the past like week. Might watch that now that it's breaking out. If it pulls back down, I like that. I want to see it convince me. How strong in Q is, I'm just waiting for ES to follow suit, do something. Oh man, struggling though.
Yeah, I don't know. SPY can break this 544. QQQ can move easily $1 more.
Was it 40 points is about $1?
Yeah.
Yeah, my next target on QQQ is like exactly $1 away. Or like my next big resistance. Like exactly $1.
478.
Yeah, whatever that is on QQQ. It's like 40 points for where it's at right now.
Yeah, I have that level too.
They're both pushing now. It looks like ES is breaking out, or at least trying. We'll see if it follows through.
Sorry, can you repeat?
Oh, I said that it looks like ES is trying to break out right now.
Yeah. I think you could move another 20 points. Да виспочетка.
Yeah, ES is strong now. Yeah, it's just kind of pulling back to that broken trend line. I might try to enter if I see something on a lower time frame look good.
Okay.
Pulling back pretty aggressively now, but if it looks like it's on hold, kind of right where I'd want to enter in here. Okay. NQ had a pretty crazy pullback, like 30 points almost. Yeah, yes, seems like it's bouncing. Oh my. I thought it was on a bounce. It closed really weak. No, yes, it's bouncing. Oh man, I don't know. It didn't look very good. I didn't get into it.
Yeah, but DQQ retested that pre-market high really fast.
Yeah, pretty much perfectly.
But I can see more downside on SPY.
Yeah. And Q came right back down. Your 50k account's funded, right?
Yeah, man, 50.
What are the rules now to keep it? Just roughly.
Just don't hit your threshold.
And is
The
that
two main rules are not to hold position
overnight?
overnight and
Yeah.
not to hit your threshold.
Is your threshold like a 2500?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's same. It's kind of like passing the account. All right,
Yeah, it's everything is the same.
nice. Yeah, I don't know. These two aren't moving very similar. Spy is completely stuck unless my trade evade's broken. There it goes. And Q's moving like 20 points, and Spy didn't even move in quarter of a point. It's so weird. It's almost like I feel like on days today, kind of impossible to trade. You have to hold it for like half an hour just to get 5 points.
Yeah. That's a big drop now. Yeah, SPY still rejecting the trend line, if you can see it.
Yeah. But still.
From yesterday.
Oh man.
Isn't he ready to move higher?
I was away for a minute. Damn. ES just can't break out.
Yeah, that rejection of trend line is nice.
See ya, love you. Ooh, NQ hit right kind of at 9:02 to 9:15 area. Right where I was watching for rejection. There's not really much to take. Nothing I'm interested in. Yes, is a mess. I don't even want to touch that today. This action's disgusting.
Yeah, moving like 3 points.
Just chopping all around. There's nothing. At least E or NQ gave us like a decent run up. I don't like shorting it up here. It looks like it's kind of dying out.
Yeah.
I should have. As soon as I said that, it dropped like 20 points. Or 10. I might try to short NQ if it comes up a little bit. Let's see.
Yeah, Spy. Trying to break that level that it's bouncing the last 20 minutes.
About 1 point away from being filled on NQ, and now it's almost hitting my profit target. That's pretty, man, tough. I don't know. Yeah. Dang, I just missed the entry on that, unfortunately. This is Chop City, man. Tough.
Yep, not played for me yet.
Yeah, same. I haven't touched it. Although if NQ comes down here and breaks below that like swing low / pre-market high again, I might be interested to the downside. See. Oh man. Here it comes.
Was there a retest?
Yeah, it just bounced like perfectly off of it where it bounced before, right around like just above the pre-market high.
Yeah, let's see how this final candle close. But it's already bouncing.
Looks like a little double top that wants to break. It's just lingering down there, waiting for that level to break and get a retest. So I'd be very interested. Taking that down. DS doing. DS kind of broke down. But
Did you take that NQ hold?
I didn't. I was thinking about it, but no. I was hoping it would break down. Did you take anything?
No. I mean, on simulated account, I did take like SPY short, close to the top there. On
Nice.
544.
Very nice. Yeah, in that range, I mean, if you catch the top and bottom of it, it's pretty decent.
Yeah, I'm like 5 points in the money.
Yeah, I haven't really taken any at all. The bounce on NQ would have been decent. I'm not sure I'll take anything.
Yeah, man, nowhere take it slowly. One, like, 3 trades, 3 good trades per week are more than enough in this leverage.
Jeez, yeah, that bounce on NQ is serious. A 30-point bounce, straight up.
Almost 40, almost $4. And you're breaking now that previous resistance on 1 minute. And SPY is just moving 1 cent.
Yeah, Spy's sick, dude. Get some really nice 1 point scalps. Just take like 100 contracts for 1 point.
I mean, like, I'm 6 points now in the money on Spy.
No, that's solid.
Get 5 and that big bounce.
I'm just playing with you. I just hope you don't just get ranged out on that thing.
It's really slow. Yeah, it was strong 1 minute candle on Spy now.
Thank you, trying high day. Kind of up here is where I like it to reject if it gets a little higher. It's getting close to that big level. If it shows some signs of weakness, and I might take it.
You know, when you buy maximum amount of NQ contracts on 50k account. You need only 15 points to pass it.
Yeah. Yeah, that'd be $3,000. What are you trying to say? You recommending that that's what I do?
No, I learned that when it was like 9% off, I passed my 2 accounts like that.
Gotcha, yeah. Damn, it rejected. I don't know if I'll be able to. I don't know, man. I don't know if I'll take anything today. Like NQ's just moving so fast. Like I was waiting for it to get up there, waiting for some confirmation, and it just drops so fast. I don't want to chase it.
Yeah, now NQ is in channel, like, I mean, I'm looking from QQ, that 478 and now 476.5, like $1.50
Yeah.
in channel. I mean, it's a big channel, but it's like from 1 hour there, it's staying there.
Yeah.
But that double bottom from that trend line was trade, was a good trade, 2 times.
Mm-hmm.
That SPY is really weak. It's going to hit my second profit target on my simulated account.
Nice. SPY's been in that range. If NQ pushes up here, I might get in short. It tests a little bit higher. Oh my gosh. Oh, no way. Fill me. Don't do that to me. There it is. Alright, I'm in short on NQ. We'll see how it works.
Are you willing to risk that high of the day, or?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay.
I tried a trailing stop on the bracket thing, and I didn't really like it. I'm probably gonna get stopped out here if it keeps pushing up. My stop is just below high day. Move it just slightly. Move it to high day, and we'll just let's see if it goes. It's looking a little bit more bullish than I would have liked. And my Trader 8 is froze. Yeah, I got stopped out. Oh man, I don't know about it.
Yeah, all of a sudden NQ and SPY start to look strong.
It better not reject right off where I stopped out. That'd be frustrating. Yeah, I don't like the trailing stop on the bracket. It starts trailing before it even like hits your profit target. I thought it would like start trailing maybe once it hit your profit target, but it just started moving down as soon as I got in the trade, unfortunately.
Yeah, I don't know. I never use that. I trail like manually my position.
Yeah. I just wanted to try it out to see what it did. I don't really like it. This is like right where I'm watching for a reject though. It's getting right up into this area I like. I'm trying to get on NQ here. If that stops me out, I'll be done for the day.
SPY still moving up.
Yeah, NQ is as well. At a big level here on the hourly, it'll probably stop me out. Yeah. Alright, I think I'm gonna step away for the day. That was kind of wonky. I didn't really like what I was getting today.
Yeah, man.
I don't want to overtrade.
I'm out today. Also.
And now it's, yeah, I'd have been off just by a little bit. Alright, man, take it easy. I'll see you tomorrow, most likely, huh?
Yeah, you too, man. See you tomorrow.
Later.